Okay, from the getaway. I got the homie with me. What up, YouTube? Another day, and we got a challenge set up. We're going pure ultralight today. Pure ultralight. We want bendos. We want a crazy fight, 5-minute fight. We're looking for catfish, carps, bass, whatever we could get, just as long as it's on the ultralight, guys. That's the challenge. It's pretty simple, pretty easy. I think it's gonna be fun too to just get that fight going on any of these fish, because usually when any of these fish fight, it's a good fight. So hopefully we could get some action for y'all. This video should be short because this is looking to be around 120 degrees, guys. So we had to get out here early as soon as this place opened up. But enough talking, more fishing. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, oh, I think I got him. Dude, these guys always do that to me. Oh gosh, let's go. Oh, ultralight challenge, baby. Let's go. We got him. Oh man, look at that one, guys. Decent. Oh, that felt so good on the ultralight. Let's go. It was like look at that guy. Perfect size, guys. Look at that. Off the jerk. So they're biting. That's good. Oh my gosh, I'm freaking sweating. Bang. Look at that one. Decent. Good size. Oh, he's ready. Oh, he just bit me. Charlie bit me. This one's got some teeth. He's ready. Let's go. First one of the day, ultralight. Let's go.
I thought you were stuck on like a tree stump real quick.
Did you, you didn't happen to get the shrimp, huh?
Yeah, it's in the cooler.
Oh, you did? Damn, that's clutch.
Throw it out here.
Yeah, heck yeah. I want to set that up. All right, guys. So what I did, just swapped colors on that jerk that I was using. This is my go-to right here, the rainbow trout pattern. And this lake has been known to stock rainbow trout, so I know they're still feeding on whatever looks similar to that. That was a good bite. The drag was feeling. Sometimes I feel like the ultralight almost fights them even better. Because like, they could do all of that tail and my rod is just like compensating for every little thing that they do. All right, guys, let's go. Got that one off. What is that, like the first 20 minutes? Let's go. Let's go. All right, guys, ultralight setup. Presso, tiny little lure. Let's go. I'm going this way. Oh, right there, topwater hit. Chasing bait already. They're hungry. We're on, boys. We are on. First fish. Tiny little bass. You can flip them. Oh. This tiny little guy.
Let's go.
First one of the day. Let's get him back in there. See you, bud. Thanks for the bite. All right, guys, so what I got also going on, let's set this up over there. Get this shrimp, guys. All right, What are you thinking on this one, bro? How should I set it? Is my length
Your leader's too long.
too long, you think?
Yeah.
Okay. I got a smaller egg sinker. You think that's
good.
That's cool?
Good.
Okay, guys. Gives me the confirmation.
Get to like 6 about there.
Wow, okay, for
Less
sure.
than a foot, for sure.
Less than a foot, he says. Let's go.
It's gonna be chilling on the bottom anyway. So.
Smooth. All right, and then, so with these dudes, how do you, they give you a sauce too. That's pretty cool. So,
Get hungry.
you thinking like what, half of one or a whole one?
I say the whole thing.
The whole thing? Like, the whole thing, how would we, what's this? Oh dang, they're hitting top water right now, guys. All right, so let me see if I can, how
I'll
would,
probably go like straight through the back.
through the back. I'm super not educated. Whoa, oh yeah, that sounded like a kid jumping in the water. Bear with me, y'all. Okay. So we'll do it like that. We'll do it like that. We'll do it like that. Okay. I'm also gonna do. We didn't even set up the shade. That's how locked in we are. But I also got some sauce. The stinkier the better, I guess, with these fish and stuff like that. So I'm just dipping it in there, guys. Like a good dip. Okay. So what am I doing? That's it. It's ready to get launched, guys. Let me put this bad boy out here. And look at this. Look at the bend on this rod. Crazy ultralight. Let's see what we do. Like far out there, or how far do you think?
Probably say like 10, 15.
Okay, bet. That's not far at all.
Should be good there.
Let's go. Okay. I'm hyped, bro. Drag loose?
Yeah, very loose.
Very loose, you say? Okay.
I have a bell in my pocket.
I brought one, actually. I'm belled up. All right, I'm gonna set that right there. Get the bell. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Boom. Got this. Got this. I usually don't do this type of stuff, guys, but I think this would be super fun. Where's some soft sand? There we go. Some soft sand right there. Take this. Get it out of that. Okay. Whoa! Crushing stuff out there. Okay. Alright, y'all. You hear this bell going off? You know what time it is. Let's go. Set up. Ultralight. Gonna get to bass fishing now. Going. Dude.
No way.
A bluegill on the jerk. It foul licked him. He tried. Jeez, he's all. Oh my. Whoa. Oh man, this guy's like going through it. Give me 1 sec, but I'll get you out of that jam. Where's my stuff? Alright, guys. I saw something there. I wasn't hoping for this, but I'll take it. Let me get these top ones out of here first. Oh, see? That's you gotta calm down. You gotta calm down, buckaroo. I'll put you in this net right here. See? You just gotta calm down, bro. Alright guys, I ended up I don't know how I even caught this bluegill. This is really very small bluegill. I mean, look at him. I'll take it. He crushed this. Just put him down here. Get a good release on him. Decent little bluegill. Let him go, guys. Let's go. Trying to swap baits around. Just keep it interesting. See what really does it. So far, this got me a bluegill, so I'm not mad at it. Oh, look at this one. This one was crushing bait all the way over there in that corner. F ran over there. Like, what was that? Like first or second cast?
First cast.
Bro, let's go. Let me look at that thing, bro. Oh my gosh, there's so many fish over here, guys. Just feeding. I'm gonna throw it a couple more times. Oh, I just threw right over it. Oh, they're feeding. Going. Are you kidding me? Oh, I got one that was feeding, guys. Got one that was feeding. Let's go. Let's go. That was so freaking cool. Oh my gosh, I gotta get F over there. That was so cool. They were feeding, guys. Oh my gosh, that was so cool. Look at that. Oh man. Don't get me. Yes! Let's go, guys. Oh man. Let's go, guys. They're not the biggest, but they're fun. Wow, big fish. Just popped right over here. Got one, guys. It's a cat. It's a cat. Yo. Yo. Here we go. Here we go, bro. Here we go. It's time. It's time, bro. You know what it is, bro.
Oh no. Is that who I think it is?
Yeah. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Come on. Come on. Just come back to me.
Oh my gosh.
Come back to me. Keep on doing that. You're gonna get tired.
This is the classic.
This is what we've been waiting for. This is what we've been waiting for. Oh gosh, look at that bend, guys. Ultralight. Yes, it's getting closer. Decent. Decent. Barely hooked on the outside. It's all good. You got him for me. Whew, I got my cat on the jerkbait. I got him finally. Let's go. Golly, look at this guy. He's a big boy. On the ultralight. Let's go, guys. Challenge. Challenge. Let's go. I've been trying to get a cat off a jerkbait slash crankbait for a while, guys. Am I recording? Am I recording?
Yes, you're recording.
Oh my gosh, that is so big. He just ripped off. Got him. Oh my gosh, he bent the hooks. Let's go. We gotta get a weight on you, big boy. Okay. Look at that, guys. 2.5 pounds. That's a PB right there. Oh wow, he's got the lockjaw on these. Sicko. Decent cat. Finally, I did it, guys. Oh my god. Big dog.
Yeah, he's worn out. He's probably just trying to.
Yeah. Yo, I'm like, what is that? Yo, dude. Yo. Dude. Oh god. Oh, I do got some. Oh, it popped off. That's it for us, guys. Sweating like crazy. It's reached about 120 degrees. Any last words, Ed?
Fish on, baby.
Fish on, baby. You'll catch us on the next one, I'm sure. Right place, right time, right lure, y'all. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe, comment, whatever. Send it to some friends. Appreciate y'all for the support, no matter what.